YouTube, this is Pete showing off my all-new custom gaming rig. I customized this build with the RoseWill Zircon mid-tower gaming case. This case is really lovely. It was pre-installed with an RGB fan on the back and 2 front strips on the front panel. It has 2 2.0 USB ports and 2 3.0 USB ports on the top panel. This case is very sweet. I love the RGB fans and the style is really nice. It is built with a Asus Z170A gaming board and i7 6700K CPU, Corsair H100i liquid cooler, 16 gigs of HyperX Ferry, 3000 gigahertz of DDR4s, and of course I completed it with the NVIDIA GeForce Founders Edition GTA 1080 graphics card. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.